So the project came about when we were approached by citizen science groups who carry out extensive monitoring in river systems, and obviously the River Wye and the River Usk high profile regarding their water quality. So citizen science groups want to see something done. Environmental groups, regulatory bodies, everybody would like to see a nice clean river, so everybody wants to have the same goal, but effectively we perceived a sort of a disjoint, if you like, between the citizen science people generating data and the regulatory bodies who have to use the data to try and work out the intervention solutions and improve the water quality. So what we wanted to try and do was coordinate that data and explain the value of that data to everybody involved, but also get the message across that just having data doesn't mean there's a solution. So we wanted to bring everybody together in understanding the value of the data generated by citizen scientists, which was not really being, in our vision, not really being utilised to its full potential. I'd say there were three main outcomes. The first one was working with the citizen science groups to coordinate and organise their data and make it more easily accessible and available to those who need it. Secondly, to then quality check some of the data and advise on the best approach. So measuring the phosphate concentrations in an approved laboratory, comparing it to the citizen science data and finding a good close relationship was a major outcome. And then the final outcome was the forum to get everybody talking and understanding the nature of citizen science data, its value, how it can be used.